welcome back to my channel. Today I am looking worse than ever. If you want to feel insecure, buy a ring light. Now I'm actually a bit of a woman on a mission today. I've got approximately an hour, yes, 1 hour to get ready because I am going out tonight. Oh my god, she's finally going out. Before I turned 18 I thought I was going to be out every weekend. Then I experienced a hangover. I actually get quite a lot of questions on my makeup when I do go on nights out, so I thought I would film today to show you all and maybe get a little bit what the shit is all over this concealer. This sounds really weird, but I'm actually going to foundation my forehead a little bit. I use the Jouer high coverage foundation, but that's just because I'm gonna do my brows before I do my eyeshadow, but I don't want to foundation the rest of my face. Obviously I've already concealed my eyelids because I look like a serial killer. Whoa, we've gone full on Simpson in the forehead department. It's crackhead hour, ladies. For my eyebrows I use the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil. This is bomb.com. Can we please leave those chunky ombre block eyebrows in 2019? Thank you very much. So the eyebrows are done, which means the hardest part of the makeup is done, which means we're gonna do a shot. That was rubbish. I'm gonna use the cap as a measure. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a mix of the Beauty Bay palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. First, I'm going to go in with the shades Chocolate Souffle mixed with a bit of Coffee Beans, which are like these dark browns. And I'm going to pat those all over my lid with a flat shader brush. Oh, it's in my eye. And we're done. Why do I look like I've had some weird eyelid surgery? Right, the next thing I do is go in with just like a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna take a mix of this tan shade and this darker brown shade, and we're gonna put that through my crease to kind of blend the dark shade up into my crease. Wow, look at me, Jeffree Star. Oh my god, who saw the videos of Jeffree Star and the Dolan twins swapping lives for a day? Who knew that was all I needed to cure my depression? I also really wing my eyeshadow out just because I've got really ugly round eyes and I want to look like I just paid a surgeon $5 million to make me look like Madison Beer, you know? And then I go back in with the brush with the darker shade on, blend it in. I'm using this yellowy one from the Jaclyn Hill palette, generously putting it on my brush because this one doesn't have a ton of pigment. And I go above the last shade that I put. Also, don't mind this, I really blow it out and then I clean it up at the end. And then I go above that shade and it just helps blend it in. I feel like this is way too professional of a video for me. Come on, personality, come out. Where are you? I honestly feel like I don't have anything of interest to talk about right now. Tell me about your summer. I want to hear about what you did, how you survived Boardmasters being cancelled. God, the biggest flop of 2019 so far. Also, if you're going to uni, you've probably moved in by now. How's it going? Any paintings? God, I sound like a mum. I really want to just be doing a get lit with me right now, listening to music. Do I do it, just get a copyright claim and then never get on YouTube preferred? Well, I mean, YouTube took my verified badge off me anyway, so okay, I'm gonna film this other eye off camera because I've got to be done by 6 o'clock and it's currently 5:30 and my hair is still wet. Love that for me. And you're back in the room. As I said before, the foundation I love with my whole heart. I will marry this foundation. I will use it till the day I die. I was about to say use it on my deathbed, but they actually do makeup on dead people, don't they? God, that's an interesting job. I put this all over my face with a booty blender. As you can see, the coverage is stunning. I've had an absolute bloody mare and a half with what to wear tonight. I'm going out in Oxford and I've never been out in Oxford before because my name is Flossie.clegg and I don't leave the house very often. But I don't really know what the dress code is like. Obviously it's going to be a lot of students, so the whole jeans and a nice t-shirt, but I don't think I'm a fan of that. I really don't. If I'm going out, I'm going out. Half the reason I'm going out is to look like a bad bitch. So I'm wearing a misguided black suit. I'll probably have some footage of it that I'll put in here. Got it, baby. Get right in there, Bindi. Oh god, I'm gonna be a wrinkly old bitch when I'm older. From the amount of pressure I put on my face, Jesus Lord Christ. This is usually where I clean up the edge of my eyeshadow a little bit. Wow, I'm also gonna be an old woman with terrible posture. Also, new Rex Orange County album. I know you're all just as excited as I am. And yes, I did spend £40 on the t-shirt and album. Just for those pre-sale tickets, you know how it gotta be. In fact, this video will go up on the day the tickets are being sold. Fingers crossed I got some. I'm now just highlighting to the high heavens. In fact, right now, all my Rex Orange County fans, comment your favourite Rex Orange County song of the moment. Mine is Waiting Room. I don't know why this hasn't been my favourite all along. Like, I just listen to it and it makes me want to cry. Have you ever seen anyone pounce her face faster with a beauty blender? Oh, I think the fuck not. Honestly, nose jobs are going to be a thing of the past with how good some people are at nose contouring nowadays. Of course, I'm setting with my Laura Mercier loose powder. Today I wouldn't powder the entirety of my face, but we're going to be in a sweaty club full of students. It's an exception. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Kiko bad boy. This is the Kiko Groomy bronzer. She is trashed because I always bring her on nights out. When I talk about makeup products as though they're people, you tell I don't have a lot of friends. Smells like chocolate. I'm also gonna bring it down my neck because I like to think I'm good at a few things, but matching foundations to my neck is not one of them. Chisel that jawline. Act like I didn't just have a bowl of cheesy pasta. Say bye bye to the 5 head. See ya. Nice knowing ya. Thanks for haunting me for 18 years. Now for highlighter. Wow, I really am doing this in the probably worst order. Can you tell I'm a bit stressed? And do you know what helps with stress? Where my eyelashes were. I've been looking for these eyelashes for the longest time and they were in this baked blusher. Wow, I know to look after my eyelashes even when I'm drunk. I'm using a bit of this Kiko baked blush, taking it on the same brush that I put my bronzer on with, and I only put my blush right at the top of my cheekbones. I feel like it looks most natural here. This is going to trigger so many people, but the only way I get rid of this is by literally ripping it out of my skull. I know. It's just so annoying and it never grows past this annoying 1 centimeter length, so she gotta go. Tutorial on how to scalp yourself. Ow. Really, please do not do this at home. My hairdresser, ow, if she sees this, I am so sorry. I mean, I'm pretty sure I read an article once that said, ow, Kim Kardashian has her hairline threaded. Ah, this is the B-Tech threading. Well then, we've just undergone a hair transformation also. I need to put some foundation there, lol, because there's no foundation. That looked better, a lot better, I hope so. Anyway, I actually can't really see too clearly right now. Ha! Get this crusty ass glue off these eyelashes. Ew. Who watches American? I'm sure lots of you watch American Horror Story. What's your opinion on the new series? No spoilers please in the comments, just let me know your opinion. I personally am a big fan. I think I'm on like episode 7 or something. I watched it in the gym and it makes the time go a lot faster. They basically combined my 2 favourite series, so I mean I'm pretty happy. Oh my god, I haven't even done my lower lash line. Huh. Silly me. I'm gonna line my waterline and tightline with this Sigma black eyeliner. Thank you Sigma, hashtag gifted. I'm gonna go in with a light brownie transition-y shade and smoke the liner out on my lower lash line. Okay, why is she yellow? Whoa. I did not realise how pigmented the eyeshadow is. I'm gonna go off camera and do lashes and mascara and I will BRB. I've just done my mascara and I'm waiting for my eyelash glue to go tacky, but honestly we're on a time rush. So I'm gonna do my highlighter now. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Alright, I was just calling you to let you know that I'll be there just after 6:15.
Okay.
We got a little bit of time.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a call when I'm outside, you know?
Yeah, cool.
Okay, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Bye. Shit. Ah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Gonna put a tiny bit of highlighter onto my inner corners. I'm stressed. Oh my god, okay, lashes are on. I've literally got 5 minutes to get all my shit together. I'm finishing off my look with some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and just like that, we are done. I need to do this outro in a rush. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's a bit of a mess. I promise the next one is going to be better. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy this video and you would like to see some more. I've got all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram. I love you all much, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.